I've been preserving tomatoes this way for 10 years. A delicious sauce everyone will love. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Did you know? If not stored properly, tomatoes can easily get moldy, rot, and lose their flavor after just a few days. What a waste! But don't worry. Today, I'm going to share with you an extremely simple yet surprisingly effective way to keep tomatoes fresh and delicious all year long. After more than 10 years of experimenting with all kinds of preservation methods, I finally found a simple way that doesn't require preservatives or fancy equipment, but still retains the crunchy, sweet, and rich flavor of tomatoes. With just a few familiar ingredients and a little bit of care, you'll have delicious jars of tomatoes ready for any dish of the year. Let's get started. I'm sure you won't be able to resist after watching this recipe. Method 1. Prepare 2 kilograms of tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into 4 pieces. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Put the chopped tomatoes in a large bowl. One bunch of dill, 1 bunch of parsley, herbs of your choice. Use the whole stem, don't throw it away. Cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Put the vegetables on a plate. Next, take 400 to 450 grams of onions, cut into thin slices. Arrange the onions on a plate. Thinly slice the garlic. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put the garlic in a small bowl and wait. So I have all the ingredients to prepare. Next, I prepare a clean and dry glass jar. I use a 1.5-liter jar. Put 1 part of garlic cloves at the bottom of the jar. Add a few whole black peppercorns. Add herbs to the jar. Add tomatoes. A layer of onions. Add another part of garlic cloves. Add herbs. Continue to fill the jar with tomatoes. Another layer of onions. Dill and parsley. The last layer is 1 clove of garlic. Pour boiling water into the jars. Cover tightly. Let stand for 15 minutes to heat the ingredients inside. After 15 minutes, pour the water from the jar into a pot. Now, boil that water to make the sauce. For 1.5-liter jars, 2 teaspoons salt, 18 grams, 2.5 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon refined unflavored cooking oil. Bring the sauce mixture to a boil. Pour 25 milliliters 9% vinegar into each jar. Pour the boiling sauce over the tomatoes. Screw the lids on tightly. Turn the jars upside down to check for tightness. Cover the jars with a large warm towel and let them cool completely. Can be stored at room temperature for up to 1 year. Method 2. Prepare 1 kilogram of tomatoes. Put the tomatoes in a basin of clean water. Wash the small tomatoes thoroughly. Remove and drain. Put the tomatoes in sterilized glass jars. I used a 1.5-liter jar. Pour 1.5 liters of boiling water over the tomatoes. Cover and let stand for 10 minutes. While waiting, I took 15 cloves of garlic. Chop or crush the garlic as you like. After 10 minutes, pour the water in the jar into a pot. For 1.5 liters of water, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon sugar. Boil to make the sauce. Add black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds, optional. 3 to 4 teaspoons garlic, can be reduced if desired. Six teaspoons, 9% vinegar. Pour the boiling sauce into the jar of tomatoes. Screw the lid on tightly. Check that the lid is not leaking. Turn the jar upside down and cover it with a blanket. Once completely cool, store in a place below, plus 25 degrees Celsius. The tomatoes can be used after about 1 to 2 weeks of pickling. The rich, crunchy flavor is ideal for salads with rice, grilled meat, or as an appetizer. Method 3. Dice and freeze. This next method not only saves you time, but also keeps your tomatoes fresher than the first method by dicing them before storing. First, cut off the top and bottom of the tomatoes. These are the parts that are most likely to contain pesticide residue. Then, cut the tomatoes into bite-sized cubes, which are great for cooking later. You may not know, tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of heart disease and prostate cancer, and also support healthy skin. Since learning this, I've been adding tomatoes to my daily meals. That's why this trick for pre-cutting and freezing tomatoes saves my family time. Now all you have to do is divide the diced tomatoes into small zip-top bags. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, use a straw to suck out the air, then seal the bags and store them in the freezer. This step helps prevent freezer burn and keeps tomatoes fresh longer. This way, tomatoes can last from 3 to 6 months, very convenient for making sauces, stir-frying tomatoes, or any dish that requires cooked tomatoes. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please click like. Don't forget to share with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.